Welcome everybody. We are given a circle. Okay, the circle is drawn. Fine. Now, inside the circle, we have a triangle. Okay, so this point is A, this point is B, this is C, this is 13 units, this is 14 units, and this length, this side is given as 15 units. Okay, so this is the center. If I were to drop a perpendicular, it does not pass through the center. Okay, now I'm going to use what is called as a Heron's formula. This formula is called as a Heron's formula. So this is going to be used to find the area of the triangle. This is a lovely formula. Now, according to Heron's formula, the area of the triangle, it is given as square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, and s is equal to a positive b positive c divided by 2. Now, if you have to, or if you are going to be seeing the triangle is inside the circle, so that's an observation. So the observation that I would like to give here is the triangle is housed inside a circle. Now this is important. Why this is important? This question is a simple question, but there can be many deviations and differentiations for the same question, for the same figure, and we are going to explore all of those. So this is the first type. The first type is to find the area, and what we are going to be using is this great formula given by Heron. So having given that, let me move on. Now A is 13, B is 14, C is 15, so S is equal to 13 positive 14 positive 15 divided by 2. So you take 13, you add with 14, what do you get? 27. You add 15 to that, what do you get? 2, 4. So you're getting 42 divided by 2, which is going to be 21. So S is 21. Now find out S negative A, which is 21 negative 13. That is going to give you 8. So S negative B is what? 21 negative 14. That is going to give you 7. Next, S negative C is what? 21 negative 15. That is going to give you 6. So area is equal to root of 21 times 8 times 7 times 6 times is equal to root of, you multiply all of this, 21 into 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 16, 168. You multiply it with 7, 7 times 8 is 56, 5, 7 6 are 42, 5, 47, 4, 7 ones are 7, add 4, you get 1176. You multiply with 6, what do you get? 6 6 are 36, 3, 42, 45, 4, 6 ones are 6, 10, 1, 6 ones are 6, and you have to add 4 to that, you get a 10 there, isn't it? So let me recheck. 36, 3, and you have 42 and 4. So you have the 7 there. So this is equal to root of 7056. So square root of this is going to give you 84. So therefore area of the triangle is equal to 84 square units.